Utanaba kwirorera video o yothe ririkana gusubscribe.
Agekira mbica Wex akamane yake nani aredia kindu milioni imwe riu wathi wa mwita kwese riu gari no ni kwenda maguta ndumira ngiri na cia maguta watu bagi na ndo kama
bas akathie
yeah.
And that's what
hello guys, now how's it going? Now you can see that. Now you can shut the door. Very good. Now you have to steam cow. Because steam cow go in the eucalyptus and it makes, now you can feel that smell. So you open your lungs, open your throat. You need someone you let's see the fire here. Still very good. Only he get on air kana wega. He get on.
Nego tuwekaga tene.
Yes.
Kena mwaki uko mwingi.
Yes. It's much more intensive.
Oh man. Sauna jo.
Boiling slowly. Hey, that is local sound or locally made. Ndio kipo na moto.
Takudura hadithi. Kanini. Wow.
If you leave it open, you could hear door. No, when it gets, yeah, the humid, yeah, the steam. And when it gets really hot, this thing begins steaming out. And what's your name? Eucalyptus. They have eucalyptus oils. There are so many. So, but this eucalyptus usually has about 5 different types of oils. For treating your system.
Eucalyptus is there.
You see this one, it first of all it is antiseptic. So it kills bacteria, it kills fungi, it kills viruses. All those oils, they do that. Then it increases blood flow to your nose, in your capillaries, so it extends your capillaries. That's why if you eucalyptus milk will the camera flow away. These are essential oils. They're like that. They're treatments.
Wow.
These are rocks the kind of rocks you find in the river. They're not special rocks. They go into a river bed. Organima irako.
Tule tunyoroku.
Ni tunyoroku eti ni kile. Kuna wakati ni more than the mai. Riu ni hindi technology igutushokanĩria tũrĩa twagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo twĩre
ndingira
andũ macoka mũciĩ mote mwaki no rĩu technology twarĩ nayo yagĩte na rĩ nĩ ya kuma mũciĩ kũingĩra ngari gũthiĩ wĩra gũtinda kũu gũcoka kũrĩ gũthiĩ kũinũka mũciĩ gũkoma na rĩu ĩyo commute tũrĩ kuma wĩra kuma mũciĩ kinya wĩra-inĩ rĩ ni mathaa merĩ traffic jam kwa hiyo gĩthina ũrĩa ũngai but ũhoro ũcio rĩ nĩ ũkwenda ũcenjie andũ no marute wĩra mũciĩ marute wĩra na family ciao tikanjĩ gũtore ũka kũnjĩra gũkũ atikĩrĩ